And another trial kicked off on Thursday, but this one was a criminal trial against Choi Soon-sil, the confidant of President Park Geun-hye. The woman at the center of the power abuse scandal pled not guilty to the charges against her, but state prosecutors fired back, saying there is enough evidence to show Choi colluded with the president for her own personal gain. Kwon Jang-ho reports.
It was the first time all three key suspects of the influence peddling scandal were seen in the same room. Choi Soon-sil, President Park's longtime friend and confidant, is facing charges of abuse of power and attempted fraud. Ahn Jong-beom, Park's former senior secretary for policy coordination, and Jeong Ho-seong, a former presidential secretary, are being charged as accomplices. Choi denied all charges, pleading that there were many unfair accusations against her and called on the court to reveal the truth. Ahn said he would fully cooperate with the trial and answer all questions, while Chung said he needed more time to consult with his attorney as the independent counsel had taken away key notes in a raid of his detention cell earlier this week. It was a lengthy first hearing, lasting almost 5.5 hours. The first aspect of the case that the courts will look over in the next few hearings will be how two cultural foundations called Mir and K Sports were established and controlled by Choi, and whether she and the two presidential aides used their connections with President Park to pressure conglomerates into making huge donations worth some $65 million. Choi's lawyers stressed there was no collusion between Choi and the president to influence state affairs, as well as no connection between Choi and Ahn either.
The prosecution may be doing everything they can to look for evidence of a relationship between Choi and Ahn, but so far they haven't found any. That's the truth.
The next hearing is scheduled for Wednesday, where the first witnesses will be called to answer questions on the funding of the foundations under suspicion. Kwon Jang-ho, Arirang News.